One sunny morning, Pinky the rabbit was hopping through the meadow when she heard a loud meow. She ran and saw a small gray cat stuck under a fallen branch. Pinky used all her strength and pushed the branch away. The cat stood up, shook off the dust, and smiled with teary eyes. "Thank you," said the cat. "I'm Luna. You saved my life." They became friends and played together all afternoon. The next day, Pinky was exploring near the forest when a hungry fox appeared. The fox growled and chased her. Pinky ran as fast as she could, but she tripped on a root. Just as the fox got close, Luna jumped from a tree and hissed loudly. The fox got scared and ran away. Pinky hugged Luna with happy tears. "You saved me," said Pinky. Luna purred and said, "That's what friends do." From that day, they were best friends forever.